Your word. This word. Ask you in another time.
I want to be a Buddhist monk.
Is Tova here? She would like to see this, huh? She's into that Buddhist
The way it's done, for those of you who don't know, there is a little tube, and you kind of tap on you put the sand into the tube, and you tap on the tube, and she was sitting here like this and putting one grain at a time. And the event that we had in 2002 was between November 6th and 14th. And it was named Mandala, Healing the Environment. And I think that this is what we are keeping in mind today, that the ritual that we are kind of performing here is in that spirit of healing the environment. And I forgot to say that at the end, after the mandala is dismantled, the traditional Tibetan way of doing it is to take the sand to a body of water and disperse the sand in the water to have the water carry the healing energies that the monks put into what are the healing energies? It's the attitudes of the mind, it's the thinking and the feeling that they put into the creation of the mandala as they created it. And so then when you dismantle it, you kind of take it out and put it out there. And what we will do, first of all, Noel, who helped Reiko in this, and he created the tankas, which you can read here what they symbolize. Noel will also use a Tibetan instrument to kind of help us in this ritualization of sending these energies to the environment using this prayer wheel. This is a Tibetan prayer wheel. Inside this box, like in the Jewish mezuzah, we have a parchment with prayers. And the Tibetans, I just came from India and Nepal, and was 2 weeks ago in Kathmandu around the stupa, which is a mandala, and saw hundreds of Tibetan pilgrims walking around. Actually, it would be good if you walked around and kind of circumambulating a mandala, doing this, meaning they are sending the energies and the prayers to the universe for all of us. And this is what symbolizes the attitudes of the person who built this mandala, attitudes of wishing for healing the environment. And I'm dispersing it on the symbol of Allegheny County, of Three Rivers, Pittsburgh, of the United States of America, of Iraq, Israel, Cambodia, and the rest of the universe. And now you are welcome each to take a spoonful, only a spoonful, we don't have much sand, and you can then disperse it wherever you wish. Israelis.